Hello everyone, today we are looking at a Supra Launch 21V. This is a 2006 fresh trade right off of the Gull Lake chain. This boat is equipped with above-board ballast on each side, so this is all equipped for your next surfing adventure. Got this really nice sun pad off the back of the boat. At the midship, we've got plenty of storage space for any coolers, life jackets, towels, anything that we may need. Here is our helm. All of our major important gauges that we've got here are fuel depth. This does have the perfect pass. Tachometer, speedometer, oil pressure, and our voltage. Here at the throttle, we've got some more controls. These are just toggle switches for our nav lights, bilge pump, docking lights, stereo, and it does have a heater. Here are our controls just below the throttle here for our ballast fills. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see it in person.